everybody, आप सभी को मेरा सादर जय जिनेंद्र. I hope you guys are doing great. So today we are going to discuss about two important topics. First will be a continuation of yesterday's session where we were talking about how India VIX plays a very important role if you are somebody who's into options trading. Whether you do options buying or options selling, all of it is very important when it comes to options trading, especially in volatile markets. Second thing is what are the stocks that we are going to trade tomorrow, and third thing which I didn't mention is algo trading. So algo trading के लिए हम अलग से एक बहुत ही डिटेल वीडियो बनाएंगे जहां पे हम बात करेंगे कैसे आप algo trading सेटअप कर सकते हो, और दूसरी सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज कि कैसे हमारी आज की ट्रेड हमने algo से उसको एग्जीक्यूट किया एंड इट वर्कड आउट क्वाइट स्मूथ बिकॉज algo में इमोशंस नहीं होते हैं. So you were able to hold on to it until a very long time. So ये सब चीजें हम डिस्कस करेंगे, कुछ इस वीडियो में, कुछ हमारी अगली वीडियो में. So without wasting much time, let us get started with our today's video. So guys, this is the chart of India VIX on a daily time frame. If you see, it opened at 22 and closed at 19.9. A good 10% drop, as you can see on the screen. Now, when this drop happens is when an option seller makes money. So let's have a look at that part as well. Now, this is the chart of Bank Nifty on a 5 minutes time frame. So if you look at this, you will clearly see that today Bank Nifty was trading at about 38,000. Wait, 38,569. So our at the money spot, our at the money options would have been 38,600 and 38,600 PE. So if I open both the charts, you will see that you got your entry at about 706 at this point of time in the CE. And in the P as well, your entry would have been somewhere close to 713. And your exit would have been somewhere around 1 p.m., which is 12:55 candle over here. This one. So this one closed at 6:47 at 1 p.m. And this one closed at about somewhere around 394. So in both of them, cumulatively, you could have made easily a 250 points. Right, and that's the power of India VIX. If the VIX fall, the premiums will fall, and as an option seller, you are going to make money. And remember one thing: in the last 11 years, only 2 times the budget was one-sided, which was last year as well as the year before that. Right, and we were playing with the majority of the years, right? And that was the plan, and it has worked out well for us today. The point is, when you're wrong, it is important to cut your losses. Correct. And how algos worked, will be having a different detailed video on that as well. So do not worry much about it. Right. Now, let's move to tomorrow, right? As to what we want to trade tomorrow. So the first thing is, so let's have a look at the chart of Nifty 50. Correct. So this is the chart of Nifty on a daily time frame. So in the previous week, we were discussing that in order to have a bullish view, what we want is that the high of this particular mother candle should be taken out, as this would mean a reversal for us, right? And now we are seeing strong bullish momentum on the upside with today's candle. Look at the bullish pin bar, look at the lower wick suggesting strong strength among the buyers. So 18,330 can be the nearest target in Nifty. However, this week will be full of volatility, so do not initiate any positions right now. Let the market consolidate and then give us a breakout. That would be a best plan in Nifty right now. Just calm yourself for this 1 week, and next week you are like you go with full power, right? That is going to be the way we are going to look at the markets. Now, first stock is obviously a positional stock, which is Sun Pharma, a very interesting structure. Now, this is very opposite to what we saw in IDFC. So we'll be having a look at both the stocks, right? So if you look at Sun Pharma, let's go back. Now, this is the point from where the stock started to fall, which was level of 1150. अगर आप देखोगे ये स्टॉक लोअर लो का स्ट्रक्चर बनाते ही गया. Not even once, I think it broke its swing high. Can you see over here? Not even once, apart from this one attempt. Clear. Now let's see what happened. It formed a base, gave a breakout, and now it's forming a higher high of structure. And today, on a weekly time frame as well, we are seeing a closing above this hurdle. So you can go long over here with a positional view with this as the stop loss, which is 780, and हमारा target यहाँ पे रहेगा at least a good 1180 is going to be our target, which is the all-time high in Sun Pharma. So this is looking very good. Now remember one thing with positional stocks in the beginning. I assume positional trading थोड़ी easy है compared to any other type of trading. So start with positional trading, और बाद में आप धीरे-धीरे intraday भी कर सकते हो. Stocks भी है, Bank Nifty भी है, लेकिन सब धीरे-धीरे, one step at a time. Now let's move on to our other stocks. So मैंने वो मेरे एक लिस्ट में लिखे हुए हैं, मुझे देखने दीजिए एक बार. ठीक है, सबसे पहला स्टॉक है इंडसइंड बैंक. pause the video and look at the kind of structure this stock is forming. So if you see, this is forming nothing but a base formation, a W structure on a daily time frame. And if you look at the price action right now, with strong buyers at the low, we can look for a long opportunity tomorrow as well. Let's go on a shorter time frame, something like a 15 minutes time frame, जहां पे आप अपनी एंट्री और एग्जिट प्लान कर सकते हो. तो बहुत क्लियर हो गया है कि ये जो रेजिस्टेंस है अब ये काफी दफे टेस्ट हो चुका है. अगर आप इसको पीछे लेके जाओगे तो आपको एक और चीज समझ में आएगी, ये काफी बार यहीं से टेस्ट हो चुका है. तो इसके ऊपर हमें एक अच्छी लॉन्ग अपॉर्चुनिटी इंडसइंड बैंक में मिल सकती है अगर वो ओपन फ्लैट होता है तो. ठीक है, दैट इज इंडसइंड बैंक. नेक्स्ट इज टाटा केमिकल्स. अगेन अ वेरी गुड स्ट्रक्चर इन दिस स्टॉक एज वेल. लेट्स गो ऑन अ डेली टाइम फ्रेम फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टू अंडरस्टैंड द प्राइस एक्शन. अगर आप देखोगे ये एक रेजिस्टेंस था, इसको बार बार मार्केट रिस्पेक्ट करता है. इट गिव अ ब्रेकआउट, इट अगेन केम बैक इनसाइड द रेंज. Let's again zoom in. If you see, for the last 3 days, it is consolidating in this particular range only. If you go on a 15 minutes time frame, you will see that the stock is giving us now a very good opportunity to go long above these respected levels. So you can easily go long above 957 with the nearest retracement, which is 949 as the stop loss. I hope this was pretty much clear. Let's move on to our another stock, which is Glenmark. राइट अगर आप देखोगे ना तो फार्मा स्टॉक्स के अंदर हमें काफी तेजी दिख रही है. और अगर हम ग्लेनमार्क के डेली टाइम फ्रेम में जाएंगे तो आपको एक चीज बहुत अच्छी दिखेगी, दैट इट एक्चुअली टुक सपोर्ट फ्रॉम इट्स प्रीवियस डिमांड जोन. ठीक है, और यहाँ पे इसने बनाई एक मदर बार. सो देयर वाज अ मदर बार ओवर हियर, एंड इफ आई जूम इन यू विल सी दैट ओवर द लास्ट 2 days इट हैज बीन कंसोलिडेटिंग विद इन दिस पर्टिकुलर मदर बार. तो हम जाएंगे 15 मिनट की टाइम फ्रेम में टू फाइंड आवर लेवल्स. बहुत क्लियर है ये स्ट्रक्चर. ये जो लेवल है एक बार टेस्ट हुआ, 2 बार हुआ, 3 बार हुआ. कल मुझे लगता है ये आपको टाइम भी नहीं देगा एंटर करने का, एंड इट विल गिव अ वेरी स्विफ्ट मूव ऑन द अपसाइड. सो दीज आर द स्टॉक्स व्हिच आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू फॉर टुमारो. आप बताइए आपकी नजरों में कौन से स्टॉक्स है. लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन, एंड फॉर मोर मेक श्योर यू लाइक द वीडियो, शेयर इट विद योर फ्रेंड्स, सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल. आज मैं थोड़ा जल्दी में हूं इसलिए वीडियो जल्दी खत्म कर रहा हूं. सो विद दैट नोट, थैंक यू सो मच गाइस.